Welcome to my channel. As one of my Christmas presents, I received another book by Urban Anna. If you followed me last year, you probably noticed how much I enjoyed using my Derwent Inktense, Derwent Graphitins in the book by Urban Anna. I currently have her first book, Enchanted Shop Fronts. I also purchased myself a book about cafe and shops in Paris. And here I have another book. This one it's Japanese edition, I believe, and the English name I noticed here, it's Urban Coloring. But I think that for myself I will call it Chez Lulu because I absolutely love the sketch on the cover. So I have another 45 beautiful pictures to color. The first book I absolutely treasure because it helped me to get acquainted with the world of Urban Anna. It also helped me to use much more frequently my Derwent Inktense, Derwent Graphitins, and I actually learned a lot about sketching. It was very instructive and I enjoy copying the original art of Urban Anna. The second book about Paris I fall in love because I really want to color all those lovely fashionable places of Paris, and maybe one day I will see them if I visit Paris once again. This one, it's even more detailed and complicated. I would say that it's a level up comparing to the first book, so I am a little bit intimidated but still totally in love with this one. Let me show you. Here we have soft cover, lovely thick paper, as usual references. What I absolutely love is that all those pictures, they are based on real places. You can look at the full color art either here or inside, or you can even find reference photos on internet because we have names of cities and places. Here we have places all around the world, so it's also very interesting to discover architecture styles of buildings from different countries. As usual, paper is absolutely great. I love to use on this paper my watercolors, my water-soluble markers, pencils also, and I think that yes, maybe for this book I definitely will need also to use regular pencils because many pictures are extremely detailed. Of course, I will try to use a watercolor and Inktense as much as possible, but I think that's the best result we can get by using mixed media. Look at all those lovely colors, very stylish. It will be very interesting trying to mix similar shades. Look at all those lovely details. And I absolutely love that on the original art you can study all those shadows from architectural elements. It's even helpful to use in other books. Many of these pictures, they could be an inspiration to color in Teresa Goodrich books, for example. It's one of the books where I don't mind to copy the original art. Yeah, maybe I will change some details, but original art is so lovely that I definitely very inspired by the art of Urban Anna. Look at this lovely one. It will be very interesting trying to do by my own brick texture on this page. So nice. That was the page where I immediately fall in love. I don't know when I have enough courage to do this page because it's very lovely, very beautiful, but well, maybe one day I will do it. There is something so charming into this one. I definitely would love to live in such house myself. It looks very cozy and in the same time very stylish. All those bricks, it's so nice to look at this texture and those colors which she used, not simply gray but with some small color accents, and such color accents, that's really what makes her pictures so alive, so realistic. Very lovely. I absolutely love her style. And that's Shelley from the cover. It will be interesting to read a little bit more about this place. And bookshops. Of course, I love bookshops, I love art shops. So, oh, that's another one. I always loved to look at those buildings, very traditional for the north of France, which we can see in Normandy, in Britain. So, of course, I want to color one of them. And that's another one. Probably that's something Dutch or maybe Belgium, because it could be from Bruges, it could be from Amsterdam. I love the style of building, especially this upper part, those roofs, they are so stylish, beautiful. And I'm also very grateful that there are more complicated pictures, but also some pictures which are a little bit less intimidating with smaller amount of details. That's what I usually selected to do in the first book, but maybe from time to time I can do something more complicated. This one is really very interesting. I will try to find reference pictures for this one. Lovely place. And look at this beautiful color combo. I imagine how beautiful is this building in real life. Another one, and I'm happy that here we have pictures with Christmas decorations, with pumpkins, so I can color it through the year, just like I did with the first book. And it's very interesting style of Chinese or Japanese. Sorry, I think that maybe Japanese. I'm so bad at this, trying to distinguish one from another, so shame on me. Such a lovely confectionery. Limited amount of colors, but looks very nice. And that's greenery. Very elegant style of the building and good contrast with all those plants, flowers. Another one with beautiful colors. It's almost a castle already, so that's one of the most complicated but very lovely. Another one with all those Fachwerk architecture, all those wooden planks, very lovely. And it's very interesting to look at all those colors. They are not exactly brown, but it's even grayish brown, very lovely shades. I really need to work more close with all my watercolors to create such beautiful mixes, such lovely shades. Another street, so you can see that in this book she added several pictures where we have several buildings. Maybe one day she will publish a book completely with streets, not only buildings. I'm very happy that Urban Anna, I think that her name is Astrid. Again, shame on me, I follow her Instagram, I admire to look at her small videos where she actually do her watercolor works, absolutely amazing, but I forgot her real name. I think that Astrid. And look at this one. This last December, I actually enjoyed doing a couple of pictures with winter decorated buildings in enchanted shop fronts, so I'm sure that next December I will do also several works from this book. Oh, the jewelry store, very lovely. And of course, I love to color cafe confectionaries, so look at all those cupcakes. I love to do bakeries, and of course flower shops. Well, actually, I love to color all such sweet places, so I am extremely happy to have such book. And again, yes, she is Astrid. And I hope that Astrid will continue to do such lovely books. I can recommend this book. It doesn't matter, do you want to use watercolors, Inktense or other water-soluble pencils, or you want to use only markers or pencils. I'm sure that this book will be interesting if you love to color buildings and city scenes. So book with highest quality paper I can recommend to everyone. So it was an amazing Christmas present and I can't wait to do something in this book.